Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Java Beginner Part 1. So I'm going to demonstrate how you begin write your Java first application called Hello World applications. First of all, I want to explain to you what is Java. Java is a programming language and also a platform. Java is high level, so you can implement high level code in Java, and it's also object-oriented programming language, so you can use the object-oriented programming technique to write your Java code. And it's a platform, so because it comes with its own JRE, which is a runtime environment, which contain the JVM, Java Virtual Machines. So what is Java Virtual Machine is actually a set of programs to translate your Java high-level code into Java bytecode, and it can be executed in any machines. Depends what platform you download your Java JRE. Right, so let's get started. So first of all, you need to download your JDK. So there's contain different type of version of JDK you can download. So in my tutorial, I'm going to use the Windows version. So after you download, you can check Java versions. So it says it has been installed, Java 8 installed in your machines. Right, and after that you need to download a Java IDE, or otherwise you can use a notepad to write your Java code, and then you just run on the command line. Right, so where you're going to download your Eclipse IDE is here. After you install your Eclipse in your computer, and then you begin to write your Java to start Java projects. So beginner Java. So you create a new class, a Java class. It's called Hello World. So here, so from here you can start writing your Java programs. Right, so for example, you can write a method in your class, public. Right, so for example, like this method is a public modifier, so that whoever calling this class can invoke this method to get the message out. Right. So after that, you want to how you're going to print this message. So you just need to, what you need to do is do this. Alright. So in order to call this method in this class, Hello World class, what you need to do is to new this class, then you use this system.out .print line, which call this method. So and that's it. How you're going to run it? You just need to click on this button, this run button. And then look at that. Here you go. So you got this hello world message. That's it. Right. If you want to run this program instead of running the Eclipse IDE, you can run on the command line. Just simply come to the command Windows, and then you go to the bin, or whatever folder you put your class on, and then you just type in Java your class name, Hello World. Right. So here we go. The message is print out. That's it. Because it's running your class file, Hello World class. From using this Java command. Right. So I would like to see you for my next tutorial, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And I'm going to see you in my next videos, which is talk more about Java part 2. Right, so see you soon. Bye.